So, hello everyone, my name is Ravindra. I welcome you to all of you in my Learn with Me Microsoft Power BI series. In this series, from today onwards, we are creating a project now. Okay, so for that, I just added the data source here. You can be see. I hope you also added this. Okay, so in the last video, I told you to don't add this sales data 2020 and 21. Okay, so why I just said this because we have two options here. Okay, for sales data 2020 and sales data 2021, so we have to merge both of the this data files, means we have to combine these both the files. Okay, so for that in the power BI we have one of the action here, append queries. Okay, so we are not using this process in our project, but I just showcase to you how by using append query how we are just connecting two files. Okay, text csv files. Okay, and for connecting the multiple files, okay, that we have to do the combination. We have one structure. Okay, if you go in the more data sources here, if you see, so if you came to the more data sources, we have one option, folder. Okay, so this sales data, I just, if you downloaded the pdf, this sales data is present in one of our folder. Okay, so we directly connect that folder to our power bi. This is very powerful way to connect the data sources. Okay, folder. So we append all the sales data by using folder. Okay, so first I just showcase to you how to append. Okay, so I just go to the home tab. Okay, first selected the sales table. Okay, then I just go to the home tab, just simply create. Here is the two options we get, append queries, append query as new. Okay, so in the append query option we are just appending this sales data 2021 in the sales data 2020. Okay, and in append query as a new we are creating completely new column. So in this case we are doing this for practice. So we just create a new one. So I just click append query as a new. So then the new pop-up window will display here. Okay, so it's taking some time to display, so let's wait for a couple of seconds. So if you see, our append pop-up is display here. Okay, so I just click on the second table and just select sales data 2021 and just simply click on the OK. So our new column is created and name was given to the sales data append one. Okay, so in this sales data 2020 and sales data 2023, both the files data is combined in the append one. Okay, while doing this operation you have to keep in the mind. Okay, both the files should have the same data type and the number of columns should be same. Okay, so if it is not, so it will add extra column or give you the sum of the wrong result. Okay, so before you are doing this operation, okay, append, check the all the column names are the same. Okay, and as well the data type that you are using, it should be also same, matching with the first one, means schema of the both the files should be same in simple language. Okay, so now let's delete this file. Okay, let's see how we can be achieved. So for now I simply just deleting these files because we are not needed. Okay, by simply just pressing the, so first it is showcasing deleting append. First I simply delete the append one. Okay, by simply pressing the keyboard's delete button we can be delete that. Okay, it is deleted. Now we simply delete sales data 2021. Same procedure, simply pressing the keyboard's delete button, it is giving us pop-up to delete. Okay, and same for the sales data 2020. Let's delete this. Let's go to the home tab now. Okay, The home tab, just simply click on new source. Okay, in the new source, going to the more option. Okay, here as I shown you previously, we are connecting file as a data source, folder as a data source, sorry. Okay, simply just click on the folder and click on the connect here. So same like our previously, if you are connecting the CSV file, one of the transformation window is came. So for folder also, the same window is came, like only the format is changed. It is came 1 2 3 files here, okay, in the file format. And simply we have to do combine and transform data. So simply just click on this. After that, our all three files are combining. So let's wait for a couple of seconds. Power query in this time perform backend operations, so that's why it takes some time. Okay, and in our sales data we have more than 10,000 plus rows. Okay, so that's why it taking too much time. So if you see, this is generated on the base of our first file. Okay, it will take the schema of first file, and then on the basis of that it will create. So simply just click on the OK here. So once Power BI perform the query, here you can be see all the steps are applied for us already, and like one folder is created and our query is generated in our others queries. Okay, and the folder name was given to the table sales data, and entire all the data set is present here. So I just simply click here and perform on the complete data set. So here one extra column is created, source name. Okay, so you can delete this column also if you are not needed. So in our case we are not needed this column, so simply I just press the keyboard's delete button and remove our column. Okay, so we are not needed that column, so I simply just deleted that. Okay, so if you come to the customer lookup, okay, if you're saving the record, okay, in the home, close and apply, it is giving the error here. Okay, so why it's giving the error, I just showcased you column, change the column performing based on the top 1,000 row to column profiling based on the entire data set. You have to check every time it is giving proper result or not. Okay, so that's why we have to do this. So now we are just set to the complete. Okay, now if in the first 1,000 rows there is a no error, but in the after that we have the errors. Okay, so simply you have to go and click on the remove errors. Okay, so simply we are just remove the error. Okay, but we are not known which error we are occurring here. Okay, so simply we also remove the empty rows here. Okay, that we are not needed, because customer key is a or unique column. So in this case simply we just click on the remove empty. So two step we are applied here. One is remove error and filter rows. Okay. So if we go here in the change type from our, so now our entire data set is ready. Okay. In our next video, we will play with this calendar lookup and create the some of the feeds. Okay, related to date and time functions. Okay, here we have some of the date and time function. So for the practice purpose we will play with these. Okay, so that's all friends for today. If you have any questions, any suggestion for me, you can provide in the comment box. Okay, so simply just now for close and apply, do the close and apply, and just save your Power BI report here. Okay,